So to replace the wheel on your transport chair, the first step will be to remove this back bolt. You can use a wrench or a socket wrench, and this is a 3/4 of an inch fitting. And we'll just turn it. I already had it kind of loosened up there for us. And remove this here. The second step will be to just take off this cover here, which this one comes off pretty easily. Sometimes you might need a flathead screwdriver or something to help pry it off, but you'll want to be able to get in so you can get this bolt out. The third step will be to take a hammer and just gently knock this bolt through. So that way you can remove your wheel. Then you'll just place the new wheel on the same way. Next, you'll want to take a hammer and push the bolt back through again so you can get it in there nice and tight. You'll probably want to take this edge and just force it in, because you want to make sure the wheel and the bolt are nice and tight and through, so there is no wobbling. All right, and then the final step will just be to place your bolt back on and make sure it is nice and tight. And that'll do it.